All right, I'm just do a new thing. New thing. This is the introduction to start it, and then I'm gonna just drop it. It'll probably be a playlist on my YouTube. You know, if they shut this YouTube down, wait till they see the new KO punch I have to reopen a new one. They tried to stop me from reopening a YouTube when they shut the other one down on some bullshit because I was exposing all the shit about white folks. So wait till they see the three. The three is that you lost your country. Wait till they see the three. So I'm just waiting to see if they. The three was like the one was Black Magic Mama. The two, but I put it 2-3 was the double release of the R&B album or R&B single because I knew they would block the song, the EP for my wife. And what was the three? Black Beethoven in like 8 seconds. Wait till the three.